Good day, everyone. We appreciate if you will like and subscribe to my channel. My name is Victor, and I'm your personal mathematics tutor. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to use computing the square method to solve a quadratic equation, and I'm going to use the method and law. If you want to learn the short method after this one, also go and watch other videos where you use the vectors for. But this is a standard method that everyone should actually know. This is actually the method that they use in forming the quadratic equation. So what do you do when you want to use this method? So the first thing you do is that you make sure that your the coefficient of x squared is 1. So how will you do that? How will you do that? So you divide all by the coefficient of x squared. Remember, I told you that quadratic equation is in form of this form: ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, provided that a is not equals to 0. So if I divide all by the coefficient of divide all by the coefficient, you forgive me if I have spelling problem, spelling this issue. Coefficient of x squared. So I will have, it will be x squared plus 5 over 2x plus 3 over 2 equals to 0. Because I've divided everything by 2. So from here, you do what I called let us say you say make the constant the subject of formula. Let me just use SOF, subject of formula. So if I make the constant, and constant in this case is 3 over 2, follow the formula, I'll have x squared plus 5 over 2x is equal to negative 3 over 2. So I've successfully made the constant the subject of formula. So the next thing I'll do now is I will add half the coefficient of x, coefficient of x to both sides. So both sides, to both sides, and square it, and square it. So in this case, half of the coefficient of x, the coefficient of x is 5 over 2. So if I say half, half is going to be 1 over 2 of 5 over 2. Mathematically, it's going to be 1 over 2 times 5 over 2, which will give me 5 over 4. So this is what I say I should square. If I square it, it becomes 5 over 2, 5 over 4 squared. So if you want to learn all this step, I've sent a video before on how to derive quadratic formula. From there, I'm just following the steps. So this is what I'm going to add to both sides. Okay. So if I add that to both sides, I will have x squared plus 5 over 2x, then plus 5 over 4 square, I've added it to this side, is equals to negative 3 over 2 plus 5 over 4 square. So in this case, I'll factorize it. If I factorize this, I'm going to have x plus 5 over 4 square. So you ask me, how did I get this? If I expand this, I'm going to get everything that is here. This thing that I just settled now, I'm going to get everything that is here. So I don't want to waste your time start solving it. So when you are solving two, do this method. Pick the x, and whatever that is inside the bracket here, and you put it here. Provided that you use the sign that is there, you get the answer. So then equate it to negative 3 over 2 plus 25 over 16. So from here, you simplify the right-hand side, 5 over 4 square. If I simplify this, it's going to give me 1 over 16. If I want me to show you this one alone, will give me, if I find the LCM will be 16. I will have 24 plus 24 plus 25. Negative 24 plus 25, which will give me 1 over 16. This is what I got here. So from there, I can now square root both sides. By square root both sides, we are now going to have x plus 5 over 4 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 over 16. I didn't bother doing it this side because I already know that the square root will remove the other part. So I will now have x plus 5 over 4 is equal to plus or minus 1 over 4. There you make x the subject of formula. Make x the subject of formula. If you do that, you are going to have x to be equal to plus over 5 over 4, negative 5 over 4, plus or minus 1 over 4. This, if I simplify it, will give me negative 5 plus or minus 1 all over 4. So if I separate this, I will now have x is equal to negative 5 plus 1 over 4, or negative 5, negative 1 over 4. This one will give me negative 4 over 4, which will give me negative 1. And this will give me negative 6 over 4, which will give me negative 3 over 2. Negative 3 over 2. So in conclusion, when you solve the quadratic equation of 2x squared plus 5x plus 3 equals to 0 using computing the square method or any method, you are going to get the roots, which is the answer you get when you solve quadratic equation to be negative 1 and negative 3 over 2. You can try some of these questions. Take the question, just follow the format that I've followed, the step by step that I've showed you, and you'll be able to get it. If you still find problems solving it, go and check my video on how to derive quadratic formula. The steps are there. Just follow the steps. You are always going to do it. So my next video is going to be how to also solve quadratic equation, but using the vectors form. That part is easier to do. Thank you for watching the video. Share and subscribe. Thanks.